Hello. Today we'll be going over how to enable and adjust regrind mode on a Whitman G series blender. First, log into the blender using the 333 admin password. Next, select the edit button. From there, select the main tab. Scroll down to regrind mode and enable or disable with the toggle switch. If regrind mode is disabled, the unit will alarm if the regrind bin runs out of material. With regrind mode enabled, the unit will continue to run without alarming, excluding the regrind component. The unit will try to load regrind again once it completes a set number of cycles. To adjust the number of wait cycles, select the Advanced tab in the Edit menu. Scroll down to regrind mode and enter the amount of waiting cycles in the Retry After field. Select the back button to save changes. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our Material Handling Service Department at 860-496-9603, extension 168. Thank you very much, and as always, enjoy your new Whitman product.